Wait, really? Oh, so hello guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to create your own PowerPoint presentations. It's case if you don't know. So this is it. If you want, so just so if you want to add if you want to make a PowerPoint presentation, you could just click in and add your title like this. Don't mind that because that's my classmate. I don't know why did they add me there. And then you could just add other in here. Like you could text something like this. So let's start back into the video. And you can add new slide. And then add another title. Or if you want to insert an image, you could just like search an image. For example, I'm gonna search uh Pokemon Emerald cards, and then you could just select one of these, or your picture. You could just you know, and you could name that. For example, I'm just gonna add it on 3D objects, and I'm gonna name it I forgot how to spell emerald, sorry guys. So you could just click insert, go to pictures, and what tab that you save the picture in, and that's pretty much it for the first part. So bye bye guys, see